Hey, Rolly Cassidy at Carroll Street Classics back at you here. We've got this beautiful new arrival. It's a 1967 Mercury Cougar. This car is Burgandy poly. It has been fully restored. The nice thing about it, of course, you know about the headlights, the hideaway headlights, but this is the last year for the 289 engine. So this is a 289. It's got the original buck tag right there. And all the fender aprons are real solid. Got power steering. You really got to take a close look at this thing. We're outside, it's freezing cold, but it's a beautiful car. I wanted to photograph it real quick, give you a quick video. Sequential taillights in the back, real straight, original body, new vinyl top. Look at the interior. Buckets, console, all the seats have been redone, new gauges, select shift automatic. Beautiful, beautiful restoration inside on this 1967 Mercury Cougar at Carroll Street Classics.